Hello and welcome to another update video about PayPal. Let's take a look at the chart on the 1 hour time frame. On the PayPal chart, I've been watching for the development of the current fourth wave for a while. The PayPal assumption, or the assumption about this chart, is that from an Elliott wave point of view, a larger degree wave 2, so the end of a larger correction, happened in October 2023. And from there, we saw the development of 3 waves to the upside. We've been following that for the last, let's say 12, 13, 14 months. I remember that I highlighted here the potential that a low formed quite soon. I think it was after this first 5-wave move up was developed, or even a little earlier. But anyway, we've got 3 waves up so far, which means one more high is expected for a full 5-wave pattern from the 2023 low. And this one more high could take the price to possibly the 200% extension. So you see the blue target area on the chart. The third wave, which topped recently in December, reached the 161.8 Fibonacci extension level, and that was at $94. Then a fourth wave pullback started. That was expected. And now a 5th wave up could still follow. Interesting is that PayPal doesn't necessarily correlate so much with the other tech stocks. Rather, PayPal correlates with the block chart. Block, or XYZ, is the ticker here. And the idea is this could be a diagonal pattern to the upside, because this initial wave 1 looks quite choppy. Also, the third wave looks a bit choppy. And there are different ways how this can be counted to the upside, but I think we can also define an impulse structure, but for now I go with a diagonal because it gives this chart a little bit more space. I rather give it a little bit more space in the pullback in wave 4. Main support for PayPal here is between $68.93 and $77.57 for this 4th wave pullback. And then at the moment the assumption is that in this 4th wave, the A wave element already finished in January. The B wave rally happened also a little later in January. That was the top here around $93. And the C wave down would likely unfold in 5 waves. And this C wave can form a low at any point now, even though I think it would look best with one more low into this support area. Support is between $68.93 and $77.57. What we want to avoid in this bullish structure is a sustained break below $68.93. So as long as it's holding, the focus could be on higher prices. And the nearest resistance area I can offer here is between $80.91 and $82.73. This is a resistance area that needs to hold to keep this microstructure alive. But overall, we are now in a support area. So the microstructure is really just noise and is not as relevant as the larger pattern, which suggests that we are now in a support area. We're rather looking for higher prices. But the microstructure allows for one more low. At least we should be prepared for it. But if one more low happens, this should be the last one. And it could reach the area around $73.12 to $68.93. Once we get a break above the $82.73 level, we should be on our way to the blue target zone above, between $98.92 and $105.63. Maybe even a little higher, but so far this is what we're tracking here. So it's all going according to plan at the moment, and this pullback is seen as just a corrective pullback in an overall uptrend. So that's the update about PayPal. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in regular PayPal updates or updates about the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, other stocks on a regular basis, then check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.